Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. I worked at IRS for a decade, a long decade. I have a national practice, national figure in resolution. I've been on television many times. Just check me out on my website at 777irs.com. I have a bunch of former IRS agents that work with us, and as well as attorneys. I just want you to go ahead and know, if you cannot pay your back taxes, many people can't. As of last count, about 25 million taxpayers owe IRS debt through every possible payroll taxes, estate taxes, everything. The count is about 25 million. How do you go ahead and take care of that debt? What do you do? What is your next step? Well, this is what you need to know. It's okay that you can't pay your taxes, because many people don't, and many people find themselves in this situation and they don't know what to do. Basically, as a former agent, I'd knock on the door. I says, you owe this money, and they're scared. They don't. And you're probably scared. You don't know what to do, who to turn to, whether you should call them yourself, which you shouldn't, or you should hire someone and you don't know who to hire. This is what you need to know. At the end of the day, what is IRS going to do to you if you owe this IRS tax debt and you can't pay? Well, it's pretty simple. When you call the IRS, or a representative calls the IRS, what's going to happen? They're going to take a financial statement. With a revenue officer, they're going to ask for a 433A. If it's with a service center, which about 95% of all cases are, they're going to ask for a 433F IRS form. You can download it, at least look at it. It's just a simple 2-page form. That's all it is. And at the end of the day, they're going to verify the form. They're going to ask you for documents, and IRS is going to close that case out off of the enforcement profile by one of 3 ways. They're either going to put your case into be a currently non-collectible, a payment agreement, or they may recommend an offer, or you may be eligible for an offer and compromise to settle your debt. So those are the 3 ways. So don't be afraid. You have to get rid of this debt. You can't keep it there, because IRS is going to go ahead and start the enforcement cycle of letters. And when you get that CP 504 certified, and by the time you get to 1058, IRS can say wage garnishment, bank levies, tax liens. You don't want all that to happen. Just go ahead, call someone, at least do some YouTubes to find out what to do. But at the end of the day, there's options for you. So don't be all caught up with. Just make a call to someone, just at least to find out your options. I always recommend you call 3 different people and kind of find out who you think the best is. I hope I'm one of them. Anyway, if you need need help, or if you have questions, you can text me, do whatever. Anyway, do exactly what I tell you. You've got to take action, or IRS will. Anyway, thank you for listening. Give me a subscription. I appreciate your time today. Thank you.